Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Tuesday, the 10th of February. Let's get to that weather wisdom for today. So, once again, we're starting with temperatures in the single digits in the colder spots, lower teens elsewhere. It was clear last night and a little bit windy yesterday as the sun was going down. I was taking a walk. I was frankly a little bit surprised that the winds kind of kicked up at the end of the day. Now, today, we'll see the mostly sunny skies become mostly cloudy, and there'll be a little bit of snow perhaps on the radars by the end of the day around dark. I don't think it's going to affect any of the commute time home unless you're commuting home really later on this evening. And we will see a burst of snow overnight tonight. Temperatures falling back down into the 20s when all is said and done, according to an inch south of Boston, 1 to 3 around greater Boston and points north. Not a big deal. On Wednesday, if there is a flurry in the morning, it's out of here, then partly to mostly sunny. We're in the mid to upper 30s in the afternoon, one of the milder days we've seen in quite some time. Then Thursday and Friday, temperatures get into the low to mid 30s. Still cold, still below average, but plenty of sunshine. We'll get a little bit milder here over the weekend, and we'll have to watch to see whether a storm impacts us as we head for President's Day. Whether or not that does or not remains to be seen, still 6 days away. Have a great day, everybody.